It's time for more gaming content. So welcome back, gamers. This seems significantly... Hang on, I gotta manage the audio here. Seems significantly louder on your end than mine. But okay. We are back into video games. I still have a bit of a cold, so I'll probably... it'll probably still be a shorter stream, like an hour and a half. But anyway, let's see the progress since we last departed. Look at this. There's these drills. And I can even, dare I say, unmute the audio. And you have the deafening roar of drills that definitely don't sound like just refrigerators or something. Look at this. And then they're safe to climb on. It's like a video game obstacle. And then check this out. Look at that. It kills you. And you burst into little Minecraft flames. And I also made this little thing, which is too big to actually just dot around. But it is a good, like, I don't know, watch point for here. I think it gives, like, a cool, like, overlook of this mine area. It's kind of, like, annoyingly loud here. Okay, but I'm gonna... Let's let these guys stay there. I have basically forgotten, like I've completely lost the plot because I've been gone for like 2 weeks. Excuse me. Well, maybe I haven't been gone physically, but mentally I've certainly been gone. Okay, but all of this stuff... Alright. First thing I want to do today is this finite ammo. So that's in... this thing. Infinite ammo. False. And then... if all right. And for now, I'm just going to add some wave shot ammo. And let's go to our gun logic, which I also need to... let's see. Maybe it's in player? There's some place where I have, like, the ammo items. Oh, and that explains why getting the gravity gun ammo wasn't updating that. Okay. Okay, and this does mean that it only checks the ammo once you like start charging. And then it only subtracts it when you actually fire. I guess that makes sense. Okay, those things are like annoyingly loud. It's like just having a really loud fan. Let's just make it like 5 or something. So then I actually have to like get close to them to hear them. Like, they're still... Okay, I think that's about right. They're still perceivable, but they're not, like... I don't know, irritating anymore. Okay, and now I need to do something here, because right now there's not really anything in this area. I just need to do a bunch of stuff here. Yuck. Like, there's so much work, and I'm not doing any of it. Alright. Let's see if I can, cure my ADD. I need some kind of... I know. First thing I need to do is there was a minor cosmetic change I wanted to do to the gun. So I might as well do that now that I'm making the ammo for it. Because basically, if I can find it, I want this little basketball to not be a basketball. I want it to be something that's actually, like, cool. So that'll be triangulate, flat, and then also add a new material. I wonder if there's any way that I can make it like... Oh well, that's good enough. Basically, I'm gonna make this a little like gem, using the same materials as everything else in the game. I should have... oh well. What is this one? Wait, what did I... Hang on. What? Did it not save my wave shot? What did I do? Also, why did I... Hang on. I knew I shouldn't have closed Blender. I think I messed something up. Already. Yep. Like this? Yep. Okay. Can I untriangulate? Quad? I don't think that's gonna work. I think the best strategy is just gonna be... Okay. And then let's export this again. Also, I'm going to make this a little bit more triangulated. Was that? I don't think that's... I want the triangulation to be a bit more obvious, and I don't know how to exactly do that. Because right now, they're all the same face, so... whatever. I'm not its dad. I'll let it do what it wants. I don't know why it didn't. Oh well. What I need for material 2, we go to this. So now I have a nice little glittering gem in there. And it actually like makes sense because that's the same thing that's used everywhere. And I think for let's save this as basically what I'm doing is I'm just gonna make this little gem still be the thing, and then this is gonna be like I don't know, a cool looking cube around it, or a cool little like magazine like looking thing. You know, like what ammo looks like. This is what ammo looks like. I may have wanted to like figure out what I wanted to do with this before I started modeling. Whatever. Material, environment, I'll just do copper. Or, not that one. Yeah. I'm not exactly gonna make a brilliant little thing. Oop. Oh wait, is there an armature on this thing? I don't need the armature anymore. Oh right, I was supposed to, hang on. I have a good idea. This feels like weirdly small. I guess, well, maybe it just has to be, maybe it's because it's just a reference, or whatever. I'll just boost it. Probably because the pickups are too big. And the materials on this thing, you ready for this? It's going to be brilliant. Alright, there's one. There's the other. Incredible. I've designed it. The perfect, like very clear, easy to understand ammo pickup. I guess it'll be like 7? Also, enemies need to have it. That's where it is. Because enemies control how much ammo they drop. Admittedly, it's kind of dumb right now. Why are these floats? They're the ideal amount of ammo. They're not like... oh well. Alright, now let's start actually like developing a game. What does this look like? Okay, so the pistol ammo is just humongous compared to that. I'll have to, like, increase the size some more. Let's just do that now. I guess 2.5? Alright, and everything else is fine. And now this should work basically as I'm intending it to. Like, it should drop, like, enemies should be able to drop it, and then I should be able to have, you know, pickups with this ammo. Let's see if any... It should be dropping them from these guys. Still biased really in heavy favor of this. Nope. Okay. I'm gonna add some more enemies. Just all around, because I think enemies are fun. Killing things is fun. If I can't make a... I don't know, a fun video game, the least I can do is make a bunch of things for you. Well, not... Well, if I can't make fun platforming, the least I can do is give you a bunch of guys to kill. I think this is probably why combat became sort of like the dominant thing. Because it's like, I can just place down guys and they're just intrinsically fun to shoot at. But it's really hard to make, like, good puzzles and good platforming. Also, I want one of these guys. He's gonna drop a coat. With the typical thing of 75 health. And then another one there. Make it... Basically, I don't want him to accidentally jump off until the player has actually gotten... excuse me, over there. Also, I still need to make sure that they actually get damaged from the drills. Because, like, I made it possible to put the drills on moving arms and things, and I haven't done anything with that. What did they give out? Oh, nice. They get instantly killed. Oh, what? Oh yeah, my whole thing was testing to make sure that the wave shot. Hang on. Did I make sure to do that right? Okay, I guess I did. Maybe I'll do like a little bit of bias. You know, I think the ideal amount is like 25 for that thing. Okay, yeah, I see. Yep, got some ammo for that. Though it does spawn in the same place as the gems. This song's a bit too rock and roll. Sorry to all the rock and roll fans. Okay, I just need to think about what I actually want here. You know, just draw some stuff. Because I'm just kind of messing around. Like, what should I have? What are even in mines? I got the general gist. This is actually like a really tiny mine. Or a really tiny strip mine, I guess. I guess some kind of tower, like... I think this could probably be replaced by something better. Or maybe have like, I think I'll have a broken conveyor belt, so that, like, it implies that there are resources going up to here that now aren't. So it'll just, like, be, like, broken down here. And, like, sticks and stuff. Then, I don't know, like, big bins? People like bins, right? The kids like bins? Bins of just, like, gems and stuff. I think they would use circular bins. They're more of a circle type of gang. And then I want something with movement. I think there's also, there used to be like a bridge or something out of here from this tower, and then it's broke down. So I'll add like that. And then some kind of road that used to go this way. Well, I don't want the road there, because I'd confuse the player, because then they'd think that that's the best way to approach. I will actually add a road there, though. It's actually... Where am I? I need chunk 85. Oh, right. I should have appended it, but I'm not going to. Well, I'm trying to decide if there's anything, if I should add any, like, special, like, road mesh there. I'll save that for later. First thing I need to do is actually figure out, like, the platforming challenges and things. Maybe, like, some sort of water tower or, like, basin here that you can only get up to with, by, like, getting up to, like, here, and then you can, like, double jump up onto it. And then from there, I don't know, maybe there's, like, a little, like, thing to a connecting tower. And then another, like, it'll be some sort of, like, basin thing. Or, like, container for resources. And then there should be some smaller, like, shacks and things. So, like, little dilapidated huts. Because these were, like, the crew quarters for the mines. And then I guess another one of these could be, like, down in here. Okay, I guess I got some stuff to work with now. Let's just not save that for now. First I'll do this cylinder. Okay. I just realized what I keep doing. I keep pressing tab to go to the next thing. Alright. So it's, you know, it's something like this. It'll be just a little bit funky. I won't add anything like that. I should have named this something a bit more descriptive. Oh well. T for tower. I might change it so it looks less like a grain bin. Oh well. Also, I need to make sure that it actually does what I want. Okay, I guess that's fine. Well. Yeah, okay. And I'm gonna make this more like that. These things should probably be like... I guess that's about the right size now. Alright, let's see if the player can use these now to get like some extra stuff. Or whatever pointless thing I'm trying to accomplish. Well, that's a little difficult to... I may need to increase... I'll actually slightly increase the amount of velocity, or the amount of steer that the player has when they're roll jumping, because that's a bit... I think it's like 0 right now. Roll... Jump... Steer? What is it? Hang on. Steer. Excel air. What is that? Okay, so there's no special, like, acceleration thing. Oh, well, now it's, like, literally 0. Maybe something like that. Because Excel roll is almost nothing. I need to remember what exactly all these mean. Ignore slide, false, gravity, gravity. Alright. Alright, so I didn't see any change, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna... Let's just see what that does. Alright, so now I have some air control. I know there are players who like this level of air control. But okay, let's... Okay. Actually, let's try... Oh yeah, and now that I'm not, like, doing significant changes, I can just, like... iterate in-game. I don't have to keep reloading. Alright. Let's get it all the way down to 10 now. Okay, that's not quite enough. Okay, I think that's about where I would want it, in that you're not quite powerful enough to, like, stop yourself in midair. Well, you might be able to, actually, like, from a long distance. I may want to actually just add a special move state for the, for if you roll jump in midair. Yeah, I don't think any of this is actually good. I'll make this like 10 again. I'm gonna just have a roll, let's see. This will be good. Wave jump roll. So what is it? There's something like... Where do I apply the recoil to the player? Right, okay, it's here. I'm just gonna do, like... Isn't there something called holder? I swear there was. Maybe there isn't. Wave shot. So yeah, because I'm just gonna have to have a janky thing where basically when you fire, if all right, this is all stupid. If player dot there's literally one charging weapon. Like, a lot of this stuff is, like, unnecessary complexity because I split it up into multiple files arbitrarily. Like, why does the animation thing control the weapon? I don't care. Like, it's not a good design. Like, a lot of this stuff needs to be split into... either split apart, or split apart and put back together. Put back together and split apart. Whatever it is. Dot state dot roll jump or fall or wave jump roll. Funk. Okay. So yeah, terrible janky thing there. Because basically, I want the player to quickly be able to turn when they shoot. Even when they're roll jumping. Or specifically when they're roll jumping. If... I'll also have fall through to... Can I do fall through here? I don't think I can. Oh well. I'll just copy and paste then. Let's go to roll fall. So yeah, all of this still applies. Maybe? Whatever. Time wave jump roll. It's only like 1/10 of a second. At some point I may completely rewrite all of this. This is getting very, very difficult to just deal with. Not because it's poorly structured, but just because it's too big. Okay. But now I'm going to add state.wave jump roll. And it's basically the same as roll fall, except you just get a bunch of acceleration. So it's alright, all that should hopefully get me what I'm looking for, which is not that. Basically, yeah, like that. And yeah, you have very little control when you roll jump, unless you... I should probably be a bit more constrained than that. Yeah, it should probably be like 50. Yeah, like that. So basically, it gives you more air control, as if the player is like aiming the gun in a particular direction to like manipulate it or something. What was I even doing? Right, I was trying to make sure that I could get up to those, and it was just a bit annoying with the way the movement works. All right, let's try this again. Well, if I just time it better. I may even allow this spin kick in the air, or when you're roll jumping, because right now you can do the dive instead. Wait, I'm pretty sure you can just roll jump to this thing. Nope, you can't. Okay, so that's good. So that should hopefully help the player figure out, or give the player another thing that they can explore on. Actually, can they get there from here? Nope. I also need just a simple little, like, bridge thing. How many scraps do I have? Okay, so this will be just a long, thin thing. Excuse me. You know what I might do? I think this Sunday I'm gonna actually find some playtesters or something. Well, maybe even not even wait till this Sunday. I might just make an open call for playtesting. Because I don't actually know how playable this game is. And there's only 2 months until the jam is over, so I should get on that. So hey, if anyone's listening to this, I don't know, post on Twitter. I have a Twitter. It's _needleful_. You do need my custom version of Godot, though, so you either have to build it, or you have to be willing to trust me to send you a binary of the compiled version. Because it is on GitHub as well, so you can just, like, pull the branch. But that does imply that you, like, can build it yourself. So yeah, Windows and Linux, I can make the builds for it. But Mac, I don't have a Mac, so they'd be out of luck, unless they can do it themselves. What am I doing? I need to get my thing. It's the thing that I made, wherever that is. Scrap 4. I'll even fix it. Look at this. Incredible. In fact, I'll even correct it here. Alright. We're cooking with water. Lukewarm water. Yuck. Let's get some nice, like, sort of asymmetry, I guess. See, that's a little bit better. Also, hang on. There's some notes I need to take for a completely different project, but I'm gonna forget them otherwise. Basically, there's another game that I want to work on, and I keep forgetting, like, there's like specific things that I want to accomplish with it, because I can build on them in future games. So I need to write it down, or else I'm gonna forget again. Alrighty. Basically, in my next game, I want to have a few different things, and one of them that I think is the most important probably is I want to have a modding, like a specific modding system and like tool set, because modding is cool. And in Godot, it's kind of possible to make mods for games. Like, you can create PCK files, but it's really, really difficult to like actually build on top of an existing game, because you just have to make your own project and then you have to replicate the file structure exactly, except like you can't actually import any of the existing files because that'll mess stuff up. It's a mess. So I want a nice thing where you can just like open up the game and like see all the scenes and assets and stuff, and then you can like click a file and say edit scene or overwrite scene or something like that. And I think I have a pretty clear idea of how I would do that. I just have to make sure that it actually works, which is usually where things get hard. Alright, this is pretty cool. Where else should I put one of these? That's stupid. Okay, that's dumb. But it's okay. Also, since I'm here changing things with the... Alright, so I have the finite ammo. I don't really have any ammo scattered around. I'll just add that, though. Switches to disable things. I mean, I guess I'm on the way with that. Ugh, so much stuff. What else did I even say I needed? Little basins and little huts. The basins and the huts. Alright. But the first thing I need, when the gun is holstered, hidden. If it's not charging, well, why wouldn't I just do... Wait, hang on. Now I'm confused. What is the difference between hidden and like when... I don't think I made a difference between when the gun is hidden because you're like grabbing a ledge and things, and when it's hidden because you're not firing it anymore. I guess that's a different thing. Oh well. Let's do swap 2. Let's do let's do something. If current weapon dot stow. Basically, they'll just have a stow method, so that way, you know, if in the future, with the other 3 weapons that exist in the game, I want to do something different, I've prematurely generalized it so that I have to add boilerplate to all the existing weapons to satisfy exactly one use case. This is called good design. See, you might think I'm bad at programming because I'm making so much work for myself, but that's actually how you know that I'm good at it. Let's see. Right. Wow, this gun is so much more complicated. I guess it's not too bad, but it is where most of the complexity in the guns is. Alright. And I guess, that's fine. Because then when I start charging again, yeah, it resets all that stuff. Okay. So that's all I needed. Just a little function so that when you swap weapons, the player will no longer... It'll basically cancel your current charge. So basically, like... Didn't quite work. Okay, now it works. Yeah, like that. Now all I need is literally everything for this level, like the stuff to do. I should get on that. File, I'll make it the same dimensions as the small platform. Let's just actually... No, that'll be more work. Excuse me. All right. Why exactly did I do that there? Essentially what I'm gonna do is something like this. You know, see, that means, you know, something. And then, check this out. Ooh. What I meant to say was, check this out. And this one I don't care about, because it's not going to be seen typically. And these, let's do like, I guess that's fine. So this is some sort of basin. What is it? Okay, the ceiling is the copper. Yeah, I'd forgotten. But basically, the top, or the walls are corroded copper, the floor is sand, and the ceiling is uncorroded copper. Alright, and then under this thing will be like one of these little basins. Did I put this in the right place? Okay, I did. I surprised myself with my own ability to follow the things that I've already established I should be doing. And I guess this is also a place that I'll put the gems. What? I guess, where else did I want basins? I mean, I should do more there. I guess that was the rail thing. I'll put, like, it'll be like, workers' quarters there. And then I'll put, like, a few basins here. Maybe I'll even have them stacked up as if they were, like, empty ones. Wait, can these things actually, like, fit inside one another? I think they might not be able to. Well, okay, kind of. That's good enough for me. Eventually I'm gonna have to explain to the player, like, what this stuff is. Or, like, why it matters. Maybe. Or at least put some bugs around. Like, do you know how many bugs are in this entire zone? 0. It's terrible. What's even the point of a video game if there's no bugs to collect? Alright, let's play around a bit and see how this looks. It's incredible I took painkillers and I don't even have a headache anymore. It's like they reduced the pain somehow. Let's see. Oh, this is neat. I can... Let's see. I think I can get up here without... Yeah. Okay. And then I'll put like a guy in here that kills you. And there are these things. Maybe these guys are attracted to the gems since, I mean, they clearly... Well, actually, I need to make it more obvious that they're literally powered by the gems. Like, these guys don't have anything related to the gems on them. They need it, like, maybe inside their mouths or something would be a good place for it. Oh, and I just remembered something that I wanted to add. I had a picture where the character was standing like this with one of these dead guys, and someone thought that it was like a companion. So I figured that's something that I want to add. Heck, I could add that right now. Because I was thinking of calling it a day at 7, but if I do something that's actually kind of fun, I might do it a bit more. You know what? I'll add that. I'll add it right now. Let's do, what should it be? How should it work? Well, first off, I need to actually go DeathNet friend. And this will just go into, I guess, player weapons? It's technically going to be like an item. Because I'm going to create a new, basically, PCs, flags. It'll be sort of like a weapon wheel for just random crap that you can use. And that way I don't have to have the flags in the, like, base stats as well. Okay. And so what it'll do... should be in there. Why is it not in there? Okay. I may need... Okay, I'll just... First off, I'm just going to completely... Let's just do... So it'll have a lot of the same thing, like min radius, max radius, and this stuff. But it'll just be, let's do 20. Let's do, it'll also be, I think, pretty small. That wasn't quite what I wanted. I guess it was. It needs to, it's not going to have nearly as much range as these guys. It'll be like that big. How does this thing work? Let's just do all this. So first off, all I'm doing is just making sure that the player can actually, like, excuse me. See, the assigned value doesn't have a type. The invariable, alright. 3. Let's see how this thing looks. So for now, it's just gonna live here. Eventually it's gonna be spawned somewhere. Playback options. Oh yeah, I guess I can make it, like, not immune to gravity stun. That'd be fun. Also, this thing will not... Oh wait, hang on. What? Yeah, this thing will not be in any of these for now. Alright, that thing is not doing so hot. I think it should have like 10 animation. Or 10. And it should probably live closer to the player. 2 and like 4 maybe? Maybe like 2 and 2.5. So it's like in a pretty narrow range, I guess. Also, I think it's gonna have... I want it to also target the player's velocity. Target velocity. So it'll do all its direction stuff, and then it'll excuse me, move toward times direction plus target vel dot normalized divided by 2. So that should somewhat deal with that. I know. If so, this should be target velocity I don't even need that. Basically, just tries to get near the player if it's too far away. It tries to get a little bit farther away from the player if it's too close. Oop. And if it's in just the right range, it just tries to match the player's current speed. Though I guess it should do a bit better than that. Like... Yeah, let's do all that stuff. And then let's do, how should I do this? Nasty. I know a much better way of doing this. Excuse me. Oh. If speed not equals 0, else I mean, it's not too hot at following along. Let's do 25 and like 15. At least it serves as a good meat shield for now. Okay, now what I need is the ability to actually shoot things. So I think its awareness needs to be a little bit bigger. This will eventually be something that you can upgrade, I think. And if Okay. Bunch of stuff. Basically, if there's no target, it's going to look for a target. Or if the target is dead. Excuse me. If B, no, okay. If not B is enemy, continue. Alright. Global transform equals looking at gen if time fired plus equals delta cooldown fire target fire T how does this work? Fire? Oh wait, no. I need the death net. Orb. Brilliant stuff here. What is orb timer? I don't need that. Oh. Alright, I need to get the projectile. So that was in enemies. I'll have to move that somewhere else. I guess for now I'm just going to put it in the main entities folder. But okay, let's see how this guy acts. Also, I think when he's not targeting anything, he should look where he's moving. I'll figure that out. Actually, I can figure that out right now. Var if not target. Oh wait, no. Else. Okay. Nothing brilliant. It's just gonna look exactly where it's moving, with no interpolation or anything. Now it's gonna do that. Actually, for viz val. Okay, there we go. Maybe it should look towards the player. Yeah, I'm not going to do anything. What do I do for the actual death nets? Because for the death net friendly, I mean, I could just rotate everything 180 degrees. I'll just do that. Excuse me. Let's do... Okay. I don't want it tilting up and down. So, it's going to look towards whatever target it has, except it's going to have the same y coordinate as the flying thing. Yeah, like that. Now let's see it in action. I think the thing needs more speed. Does this thing, can this, okay. Nice, look at that, it's shooting. It completely invalidates one of the enemies. Though now I need the ability to actually like have enemies target this thing. Okay, so if target is dead, oh wait, I'll just do brilliant stuff here. Okay, but this thing is like, I don't think it doesn't do so hot when I go out on the scooter. I do like it though. Oh wait, this thing hyper sucks at like actually aiming for things. Hang on. I think it's because it has this offset. Let's try that. Hello? It died on me. I mean, I know why. It was because of the typo, and it, like, crashed or whatever. I think I'll make this... I may want to figure out if they can get a better way of, like, prioritizing targets. Maybe if an enemy attacks the player, it prioritizes them, but that could cause, like, some sort of starvation. I think it's good how it is. It just picks a target and starts shooting at it. It's nothing fancy. It'll be just a little, like, thing that you can use. That's kind of a fun little feature. Alright. I'm not getting so good with the commit names. Whoop. Commit text. Whatever. And you know what? I'll even do. I'll even make a little hut. So let's get this mine shack. Let's create a new thing. That's not really gonna cut it, I don't think. What I think I'm gonna do is like, it'll be like this big. Whoa. What? Okay. Excuse me. All right. Oop. Look at that. It's like a thing. All right. And then I guess it'll also have like, this will come out like, Wow, look at that. I even knew what I was doing. And then, all of this. How should I do this? I guess that's okay. You know, that's kind of a door shape. And then on this side, it'll do some kind of clunky that. That's how doors are in the future. Yeah, that's fine. Well, excuse me. I'll make this slightly better, because it'll do like, that. And then from there it'll do, that. Check out this brilliant number. Actually, I don't know if that was a wise move. Yeah, I'm not thinking this was one of my best decisions. Oh well. Well, you know what? That's, I would say, totally tolerable edge flow. And then here, I'm gonna do, that. Where is the fabled Mine Shack Small? Now that I've put it in alphabetical order with everything else. Could it be right after Mine Shack? Now where is the materials/env? Could it be before A in the alphabet? Could it be in the management folder, even though I explicitly said... Okay. Finally got that. Oh, I didn't forget where I put it again. I guess I'll just, like, that was an issue, now that I'm actually, like, looking at this. I guess I can just put it like this, and then there's, like, you know, they have the technology to, like, stabilize things. They can just put some... Check this out. Boom. This is what they used these bits of scrap for. Also, I'll do this the same way. So yeah, essentially it's like the village people use it or the villagers use these in the correct way when they make like stairs and stuff out of them, because that's what they were used for originally. They don't, like, they're miners. They know how to step up a bit of a lip like that. They just need to watch their step otherwise. And there'll be a few up I guess a few here. Or one. That'd be a terrible place for, like, quarters. Like, right under a drill that's drilling into rock. That's like an accident waiting to happen. I mean, this is a terrible placement. Like, the housing, like, the drill should be nowhere near the housing. Like, because that's going to cause, like, noise problems. And, like, like, super prone to accidents, because there's going to be people sleeping right next to, like, rocks falling. And this is a terrible place for this, because it blocks this whole path. Oh well. Maybe the rocks collapsed or something. Who knows? You know, with these funny little guys. They just do what they want. guess. Oop. Okay. Got that. Then on this side, there'll be okay, this seems reasonably safe for like the quarters. And this one will be slightly buried because there is a bunch of sand that came down. This one will be even more buried. This will be like that. Now it looks like something. Now it looks like it's actually like a occupied area where they were constructing things. These are still too big though. Okay, yeah, these are still like laughably big. They need to be like half the size. And I'll need to redo all this stuff again. What? What? Why did I undo the GLB export? Okay. This is... I guess this is about the right size. The door is a bit big now. Or a bit big still. Um... Let's also do, like, yeah, maybe that Maybe these drills are here for like... Or this one was here for like repairs or something? I hate this guy. Oh. That didn't help me. Okay. Well, I have to fix these. These doors, yeah, these are about the right size. I don't want Jackie feeling like itty-bitty. So yeah, now these are appropriate as like barracks and things. Yeah, get out of here, bud. Wait, can I damage him? No, I can't. Right, and this thing... I like this thing as like a big, like, atrium. Or a big sort of headquarters or something. Alright. Let's fix up these things. And then, this certainly won't be done, but it'll be dangerously close to being done. Thrillingly close, even. Now these things only work with like one of these. That seems about right. Okay, now these, yeah, these are much more reasonably sized, so like I can actually position this here without worrying about blocking this whole area. Actually, I'll put it like here, so then it's completely out of the way of the main path. And it's relatively safe, and it has a decent view overlooking the whole mining, or at least a section of the mining operation. This would be like the barracks overseers, or like the foreman's quarters. Because you can see the whole yard, and then when he gets drunk, he can fall off the ledge and die. As all foremans do. And then, tomorrow, I'm gonna add some more stuff. Let's see. Block out bubble shot level, so non-linear play. Add tibbles and more enemies. Some dialogue at the ends of the level, so the beginning and the end. And because I also need all the stuff that's actually going to be justifying why you're here, like the story stuff. But alright, let's just do one quick run through of it now. I don't know if there's really... Yeah, I hate this guy. Hang on. I think if I have a deathknat friend, he should definitely fade away when he gets too close to the camera. And yeah, for now he's just marginally useful. Alright, and I might need a bit of... Oh yeah, I need the semblance of railing. I need the old bridges. Then we can blast through here. And that's basically all the player needs to do to get through this area. Should I do more fun stuff? Well, I need some stuff here. What does the player have to do on this side? Nothing, because there is no way to get across that side. I need some more fun content. I've been watching the other work in progress posts, specifically from the host of the stream, Kate, who's been doing like a bunch of fun stuff. Like she has a whole bunch of different vehicles and power-ups and like different aesthetically distinct areas. And I don't have much of that. Like I have the vehicles and things, but like the areas are kind of a blur. I guess this one's somewhat distinct, but I'll have to put more work into actually like making interesting places and things. I think that's going to be my weak point. But yeah, you know what? I guess that'll be it for today. Yep, there's me falling to my death. Let's put all this. So that's on the GitHub. And tomorrow I'll keep working on this area and hopefully get all of it done. Probably not the writing. I still am sort of procrastinating on that. But that should be prioritized, and I'm also gonna start looking for playtesters, so that should be fun. So I guess I'll see you at the stream tomorrow.